Hi guys, today we revise past continuous and past simple forms together. Firstly, let's start with this diagram and let's be sure their meanings. Which part of the sentence tell us the background action? Which part of the sentence tell us what happened at one moment and complete the rule? So let's complete the rule together. Use the past continuous to talk about background actions in the past and the past simple for actions which happened at one moment. And it means it sometimes interrupted the background action. So in this part, let's go on with the example sentences. Okay, please look at the sentences and use the past continuous and past simple form of the verbs. First one is example sentence. Let's examine together. For the second sentence, please look at the word suddenly. So it means here you will use past simple. He suddenly felt a pain in his leg. And the other side must be past continuous. Background action. He was running and he suddenly felt a pain in his leg. And now, first question. In the second part of the sentence, we can see while. So with while we must use past continuous. And now let's be sure that for the first part, the ball hit me. The ball hit me while I was watching a bird. And second question. As you can see, for the second part of the sentence, you see when. So with when, you must use past simple. When she saw some dolphins, Jenny. Sail, the verb must be used with the past continuous. Background action. Jenny was sailing with her father when she saw some dolphins. And third question. We cannot see here when or while, so we must examine chess and fall as the verbs and their meanings. As you can see from the sentence, chess background action. So he was chasing the ball and he fell over. He fell over. The action happened at one moment. And question 4. We see when here, so we must use here past simple. When I looked out of the window, it was snowing. It is background action and it is the action happened at one time. And question 5. We see here while, so we must use with the while past continuous. While we were watching a match on TV, the electricity went off. It means this is the action happened at one moment and this is the action background. Okay. Let's have one more exercise. Okay, here is use the past continuous for the longer activity and the past simple for the shorter one. So let's talk about what is longer activity and what is shorter one. Longer activity means background action, and shorter one, it means the action happened at one time. So now let's do the exercises. I was writing an email, longer activity, or in other words, background action. My phone rang means shorter one. In other words, the action happened at one time. Okay, now question 1. Alex and Sue were watching a film on DVD. It is longer activity. Their friends arrived, shorter one. So with the shorter one, we use past simple. And question 2. Marco was having breakfast. He had a great idea. For the first sentence, we can say it is a longer activity. And the second one, shorter. And question 3. Christina was talking on the phone, longer activity, and her father went out, shorter one. And question 4. They were walking in the mountains. It is longer activity. They saw strange bird. It is shorter activity. Okay, that's all for now. We have revised past continuous and past simple forms. See you again.